Welcome to another video on my Raspberry Pi 2 running Ubuntu Linux with a robot operating system. Connected to this monitor via HDMI. Connected to serial cable for Minicom serial terminal. Hidden but present nevertheless network cable for VNC, and then that band cable towards this breadboard with some electronics and fischertechnik stuff, LED, phototransistor and motor. Also on a different way with this one, with not HDMI but simple VGA, to this monitor, and that is the image you're seeing from this MacBook. Why in this way? Simply because lack of space on screen. So from this place I will do some GPIO stuff, and from internal here, which you will see in screencast, I will do some other stuff which is quite necessary, because in the last quite a few episodes I've been trying to use GPIO class in C++, to actually use it to use the GPIO and then control everything here. Last time I figured out that's not the way to go, and that I should use wiringPi. And that library I've been using before, and then I can actually access the GPIO. And now coming back to the rest, because I need to be able to see everything running. So on the Mac I give in the terminal that you noticed bash gpio.txt, and that should give some nice results. I give enter, and it says permission denied. Oh, it is a bit odd because that should have been done a lot of times now. Let me find the real command, which is the same. And now it says resolvability, running. The rest isn't. So let's do it again. And this one is doing nice. So that works. What doesn't work is once again the input. Now I haven't used the input, but it gives errors. Now let me do it like this then. Oh, how nice. It's merely a glimpse now. Okay, this is better. So, do I see something? No, nothing. It says absolutely nothing. So, from that perspective, I do know that it works, and I don't care about input for now. So, let's see for the wiringPi how I can get things finally working, if I manage. So, being reassured that the hardware at least partly works, let's run the ROS nodes. Oh, which it won't go because I first have to start ROS core. And now ROS is started, which means now I can run everything, provided that means alright, that took a while, not quite sure why, but it does work. That's good. So now this is control, this is motor, here is wiringPi, this is to be discarded, old, no longer used, and the control is supposed to be here. Well, the motor stuff. And with wiringPi you have digital read, so it is supposed to be then digital write in this case. And now it's quite important, if I want, say, this LED, which is red LED from either pin 18 or GPIO 24. So I'm gambling on one of those. If one doesn't work, I use the other. So 18, and I write 1. Not quite sure that is going to work out, but we'll see. This would have the same effect as that bash stuff, but this time from within ROS. Alright, right. Now I have to open a third window. No, like this. And of course, source development, setup bash, and then catkin make. If alright, then it compiles without an error, and I truly hope so. Please do. Okay, that has been built. And the effect should be that when I run these two again, that the LED flashes at least for a moment, or keeps flashing, or keeps burning, because it's a spin. It's a continuous activity. If this works out nicely. Link executable, very good. Failing, failing, failing. What fails? You got to be kidding me. Undefined reference to digital write? You're joking. It is in the include. There's no error in include, is it? Really? Okay, let me go here. Oh, enable GPIO, wiringPi setup. Okay, so, and then pin mode, something input. Okay, let's go there. No, not like this, like this. So, no, not here. No, come on. And wiringPi. Okay, I'm making here a mess because this is an R, but then again, looking here, wiringPi setup and pin mode. All nice and easy, but it says undefined reference to digital write. That means that despite this all, and it won't probably find wiringPi setup either. So let's write it again and recompile. And it will probably give that undefined reference to wiringPi setup as well as pin mode. Let's hope not, but yeah, I was afraid to see that one. So, what to do? Well, basically, I need to open a new tab. This is my root directory, Ubuntu, wiringPi, and then this is where I want to be, and then wiringPi.h. Oops. And this is the exact thing. So why doesn't it work? Why can I not use wiringPi like that? Why does it give undefined reference? This is so weird. Oh, wait. It may just be very simple. Kom op. Nee. No. I have to adjust the settings again. Yeah, except that I have already put it in, be it not in the same way as here, because the home Ubuntu I have completely replaced by the tilde, which is usual in or common practice in Unix and Linux, but may not work here. So, oh, let me select it. Alright. Now, the point is, and this is the directory that I need. So, right, and go again. And really, if this doesn't help, I really don't know what would. Oh. Alright. So, back to square zero. What to do? Not entirely sure anymore. I cannot imagine that I'm the first one to use this. But now I have come to the point that GPIO class, which worked very nicely without ROS but in C++, and it has worked perfectly, it doesn't work anymore. This would not compile. Too complicated? I don't know. But let me just find out. I'll try to. Alright, now it becomes really interesting in a negative point of view, unfortunately, because this is clearly from ROS Answers, which is very familiar to those who use ROS and want to have answers. I am not the first one to try this. Mind the date, and which is now slightly over 3 years ago. But the question is exactly the same, and here from somebody else as well. Exactly the same problem. How to do it. Alright, so even wiringPi doesn't work out. Question is what will. I'm going to bring things back the way they were. Command out, and command out. That means also recompile. If this is done, I start the notice again. Should go right. problem. Go. Yeah, okay. Not the way I like, just the way it goes. Then, one more time on the Mac. Bash run yeah, well, and that's what happens when things work. And that is severely limiting any options to explore it any further. ROS Ubuntu works, ROS works, wiringPi works, GPIO class works. But when you cook it, you need all elements together. And there it goes wrong. And given this, I'm not the first, not the last, but that is oops and poof. What to do about it? Not quite sure. I had my hopes, as you understand, on this library. Simply not working out. Anyway, let's see if another time brings another solution. So, for now, I think that's it. So, that's the end for this episode. With Raspberry Pi that works, GPIO via Bash that just works, although the input not really yet, and here things also work nicely like this. GPIO Bash. So how to continue? Not sure if even to be continued. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment or suggestion. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please donate to keep the videos coming to you. You can also choose to become a patron and have your name mentioned. Donating is via PayPal and or Wired. And so goes if you become a patron by the way. All information is on my website, of which the URL you can find under this video. Maybe continued, who knows. Right now, thanks for watching, have a nice day, and bye bye.